can start with the session.
Thank you so much, sir. So for Misha Tiwari, it's symmetry, perimeter, and area. Alina, we are still waiting for a response from your side. Your favorite topic in maths. Okay. Please switch on your camera, Alina and Arnab. All right. So let me quickly tell you about the flow of the session. So first of all, you'll get to know your mentor. And then you'll see a short informative PPT wherein you can note down if you want to note down something related to your course. Okay. And after that, you will go on a virtual tour of Dashboard of Olympiad Success, wherein you will learn how to access from the dashboard reading materials and all. Okay. That Rajan sir will show you very shortly. And after that, in case you have a doubt or a query, you can always ask and get the answer then and there. And after that, the actual demo will begin, for which all of you are waiting. Okay. So I hope the flow of the session is clear to each one of you. Is it? Please show me a thumbs up if it is. Very good. So now let me tell you that we have with us Preeti ma'am. She's a wonderful mentor, wonderful person, and she loves to interact with kids like you. She's got substantial experience in this field. Her subject matter expertise is maths. And now I will request Preeti ma'am to speak to you directly. All over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Monica ma'am. Good evening, everyone. And good to see you, Kabir, in this demo session. Okay. Children, I am taking mathematics. I'm teaching children mathematics for more than 7 years now. And with Olympiad success, I've taken quite a few batches, maybe 5, 6, 7, something like that, right? And right now also currently I'm taking batch 4 of grade 4 in Kabir. Hi. Okay. You recognize me? Okay, children, I will try to make the sessions as interactive, as easy I could be, because if you are in grade 5 and you're preparing for Olympiad, so that means that it will be a level higher. So we might touch, we will make background of the topic of grade 5, and then we might have to touch some boundaries of grade 6, because grade 5 preparation itself won't be enough to achieve something in Olympiad exams. All right, but first we will, because the whole course is not yet done in your schools for grade 5 mathematics. So we will complete that first, and slowly and steadily, when we finish one topic, we will build a level higher on that thing. So it will be like a pillar. Okay, so that you have the clarity, you have the base for this for the particular topic that we are doing, and then we'll build a level higher. So I hope to see you all in the session that we are starting from next Tuesday, that is 1st of August. And now, Rajan sir, Monica ma'am, please continue. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Preeti ma'am. So now, children, allow me to share my screen for a short informative PPT. Just a moment. And then we are good to go. So I hope my screen is visible to all. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. So a very warm welcome to each one of you to the demo and interaction program for Class 5 Mathematics Olympiad Accelerated course. So as you are already aware, Olympiad Success is India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad exams. Olympiad Success Live is India's first exclusive live classes for Olympiad's preparation, and School Plus by Olympiad Success is one of its own kind of annual program that includes 8 important courses that really matter at this juncture of your life. And these 8 courses include mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, both spoken and written, Vedic math, and coding. So here you can get one-on-one online CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, and IB classes for grades 2 to 10. One-on-one preparation classes for international mathematics Olympiads like SASMO, CMO, HKIMO, TIMO, Math Counts, US Common Core Math Competition, Math Kangaroo, and PRMO. So you can meet our international rank holders for the year 2022-23 on the screen. And for the year 2021-22, these are all brilliant kids like you. So the classes are going to be group sessions with batch size of around 20 students, delivered through Zoom by seasoned tutors. You've already met your mentor, Preeti ma'am. So you get 3 sessions per week, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Note down the timings. The timing will be 8 p.m. to 9:15 p.m. with 5 minutes of break in between. So 35 minutes of class with 5 minutes of break in between, again followed by 35 minutes of class. The sessions will be a mix of theory, practice questions, doubt sessions, and discussion on previous year papers. You get access to reading material and practice questions available on the dashboard of Olympiad Success. And you also get access to topic-wise mock tests for both maths and reasoning, as well as logical reasoning. Now, how to access those on the dashboard, you'll learn very shortly by Rajan sir. So syllabus is available at this particular link, and fees can be paid by clicking on this particular link. Don't worry, all the important and relevant links will again be pasted in the chat box for you to avail. Now, the fee for this entire course is 10,038 rupees, but if you register now, you can get it for 8,532 rupees. It is going to be a 36 sessions course, and the fee includes online classes, daily reading notes and exercises, practice of previous year papers, and access to Olympiad Success platform for mathematics and logical reasoning. All that you require for these classes is either a laptop or a desktop with good internet speed, with camera, because we do not allow students without video in the class, and headphones for better audio clarity. Now, as you are already aware that preparation for Olympiad exams is slightly tougher than your regular school curriculum, so you need to spend some time extra every day to cope up with the curriculum. And of course, parental support is required at the back end. In 2022-23, Olympiad Success had students from more than 3,800 schools across India and abroad, hailing from 35 plus countries. Now, the live classes for this particular batch begins from Tuesday, 1st of August, 2023. So I hope you've noted down all the relevant details. And now I would request Rajan sir to show you how to access the dashboard of Olympiad Success. All over to you, sir.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you for the wonderful presentation. Let me share my screen with students. I hope my screen is visible, students. So this is the website Olympiad Success. I'm just showing you how you can access the content. Okay. So what you need to do, you need to click on my account. And once you enroll with us, we will share the credentials with you. And with that credentials, you can log in. Let me log the credentials I have. Just click on sign in then. So this is the student profile and all the content you will find here in the live classes. Just click on live classes. Then choose the subject. So in our case, it is Mathematics Olympiad. Then you need to choose a topic. So for each every topic, you will find the reading material and practice question here. Let me show you. Let me choose competition operation. So this is the reading material, practice question and answer key. Let me show you how it looks like. So this is the reading material we have for computation operation. Okay. So similarly for each and every topic, you will find the reading material. Now, other than that, practice questions are also available. Let me show you practice questions. These are the set of questions that we have for this particular topic. So similarly for each and every topic, you will find the reading material, practice question, answer key here. Now, other than that, you can also check schedule, like in which session, which topic we are going to cover. Let me show you. Like in session 1, we are going to cover number, sense, and Roman numeral. And in session 2, session 3, we'll move with that only. And in session 4, we have a test discussion. So after each and every chapter, there will be a test discussion. And in the end of the session, we have super classes. Let me show you. Yeah, we have super classes. So the super classes, what to do in super classes, we will discuss all previous year Olympiad questions. Okay. Although this is an accelerated batch, in the accelerated batch, there will be 36 sessions only, because in accelerated batch, we are covering the course 20% faster. Okay. Now, other than that, students, with this course, you will also get the free access to the twice mock test for mathematics as well as for reasoning. Let me show you that also. Just click on worksheets and you can choose logical reasoning and mathematics both. So these are the topic wise mock tests for mathematics. So for each and every chapter, you will find many mock tests available here. Like for computation operation, 10 are there. When you click on next, you will find for other. Okay. You just need to click on take exam to attempt it. And later on, whenever you want to check your result, you can check here in the performance tab. Just click on performance tab and choose the subject, that is logical reasoning or mathematics in our case. And here you just need to click on detailed result view to check the answers. Okay. So this is about this course, students. Now, if anyone have any doubt or query, you can ask us in the chat box. Do anyone have any doubt or query? No? Okay, Ayush. Any other student have any doubt, query? No doubts, no doubts. Okay. Okay, then let me ask. Yes, Manasvi, raised your hand. You can type in the chat box.
Anyone else has a doubt, please feel free to ask. We'll be happy to answer. Rihas is
Send
asking
the
to send the
Olympiad.
Olympiad register link.
Okay, Olympiad register link. You're talking about Olympiad exams
Yes.
for the exams. Yes, for each and every exam, there is a different link. There is not common link. Okay. Now that what you can do, you can visit their website. Like for SOF, you can visit SOF website. For Quest, you can visit Quest website. Yeah, for grade 6, grade 5, for any other grade, whatever you like. Okay. So for that, you can visit their website and there you can register. Yes, sir, you can type in the chat box. Okay. Preeti ma'am, I think you are the host. Can you please unmute Manasvi?
Yeah, I'm just giving the permission, sir. You can unmute. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah, I just I was just joined the session at the end. I just heard that this kind of a fast tracking session. And do you have any other session where you can cover in detail in a slow phase?
I didn't get it.
Like you said that it's going to be some kind of fast tracking session because you have 36 sessions.
Yeah, it is an accelerated course. Yeah. So like we have posted. Okay. Have you seen the presentation that we have given in the starting?
Sorry, I joined a little late actually at the end of the
Okay.
session.
Okay. So
My
you
daughter
can
was
watch
there.
it again. If you want, you can watch it again on Facebook. Although this is actually an accelerated course that we have. So in accelerated course, we are covering the course in 20% lesser time as the Olympiad exams are coming.
So do you
Although
have
we
any
are
other?
going to cover all the content. Yeah, we are going to cover all the content. We are not like leaving any particular chapter. How it is, we have combined tests. Like there will be less number of super classes, and there will be a common test for 1 or 2 chapters.
So for every, I mean, 36 sessions means you mean it will be 3 sessions a week, right?
Yeah, there are 3 sessions per week, so it will take around 3 months to cover this course.
So yeah, so Olympiad exam we need to opt it to school and you right or so yours also we can
Sir, no, sir. So we are actually preparation platform. So Olympiad exam, see, some Olympiad exam are can be registered through schools only, like SOF. Other than that, there are Olympiad exam that you can individually register, like Unicus and Crest. And I think 1 or 2 exams are also there where you can register individually. Other than that, like SOF, only schools can register directly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Student, do anyone have any other doubt? No? Okay, let me ask one question then. Please, can you tell the day? Yeah, this is the question I'm going to ask, Misha. Students, can you tell me the days on which you're having the classes? Do anyone remember? Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Yes, correct. The days are Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Okay, Misha. And what will be the class timing, students? 8 to 9:15. You need to write AM or PM also. Is it AM or PM? PM, yes, correct. Okay, so do anyone have any doubt or shall we start with the session?
I think we should start
Okay.
now.
Yeah, we can start. So over to you, Preeti ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Rajan sir. All right. So any idea what topic you have already made certain use of that topic today? I mean, till now, any idea which topic are we going to do today? Somehow you made use of the topic. I'm giving you the hint. Multiplication you used. Very good. Anything else that you made use of today other than multiplication? Addition. All right. Repetitive addition is no, we did not use data handling anywhere. No, not subtraction, not division. Numbers are everywhere. Numbers, I mean, without numbers, how can we do mathematics? Roman numbers I did not use. No. You answered question in a way that you made, no, not simplification. No, don't repeat the same answers. Reasoning is again a part of mathematics. Unitary method, no. Where did you use unitary method today? Fractions, what was the answer in fractions? Tell me. Did you give any answer in fractions in today's demo class? No. Number system is the base. Rajan sir was saying write the time in AM or PM. The last question which he, yes. So it is time. Right? Okay. Before I start the session, one thing, I won't be able to unmute you. So all the answers will come to me in the chat box, right? And do you get an option to answer directly to me rather than answering it to everyone? You have. Okay, Kabir is used to understand me, right, Kabir? What I need, how I need. All right. And Kabir is very good at mathematics, let me tell you. He's very good at concepts. So let's see if somebody can beat Kabir. It's like that. All right. So you will be giving me the answers in the chat box and if possible directly to me so that nobody copies the answers that you're giving. All right. You will see my name, Preeti or Olympiad Success. So give me the direct answers. Okay. All right. So I'm going to share this with you. So the topic is time. And if I ask you multiple answers, you can put a comma in between. Or you can give space in between and write the multiple answers in one go. Do not type in 3, 4 multiple answers like that. I want multiple answers in the same one thing only. You can either give space or commas. So my first question to you would be, 1 second. All right. My first question is, how many seconds are there in a minute? How many minutes are there in an hour? And how many hours are there in a day? Here you go. Okay. Excellent. I got the answer from Aliana Sanvi. Correct? Do you know these answers or do I have to tell you? You children are in grade 5. Okay, Ayush. Is it Dikshika? Oh my God. Okay. All right, Kabir, Shaurya, Srisha, Misha. All right. You all know almost. Riyaz. 60. Okay. I think Urvija, everybody understood. Riyaz, when I say all three answers in one go, so I mean to say 60, 60, 24. Right? Not like this. Like this, you will be the last one to answer. So everybody is writing 60, 60, 24. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. And 1 day has 24 hours. That is the quick way of doing it. Okay, moving on. Now, children, in this session today, we will be covering only few parts of the topic time, not everything. This is just to give you a glimpse of how we will study in the actual classes. I am not expecting that you know everything about time. I only expect, and we always do a quick recap of what you did in grade 4 so that we can build on the topic. If somebody is not aware of something, that's okay. We can discuss it in the class and then only we will move ahead. I will not make you a move without knowing the previous things. So in case if you won't be knowing certain things, then I will be telling you before moving on. In this today's demo session, we will be doing addition and subtraction of time, how to convert a 12-hour time into a 24-hour time, because I hope everybody knows that there are two ways of reading, writing time. One way is 24-hour system. 24-hour system means when we use AM and PM, there are 24 hours in a day. So one way is either we start from 1 and we go till 24. The other way is we divide it into two equal parts and we take 12 hours in one part and 12 hours in the other part, right? So can anybody tell me in the chat box quickly, when does the day starts? When does the day starts? 12 a.m. That is correct. And we also call it 12 midnight because correctly at 12, it is neither AM nor PM. We call it midnight. But when it is 12 o'clock in 1 second, then it turns out to be either AM or PM. So we use the term 12 midnight and 12 noon. All right. So from 12 midnight to 12 noon, we consider the time as AM. Stop writing in the chat box now. From 12 PM to 12 AM, we consider it as PM. From 12 midnight to 12 noon, it is AM. From 12 noon to 12 midnight, it is PM. Anybody who can tell me the terms that we are using, AM, PM, what is the meaning of those terms? What is AM? What is PM? Now write in the chat box. What is AM? What is PM? No one knows. Okay, Sandy is right. Okay, Ayush correct. We use the term anti-meridian and post-meridian. Anti-meridian means before midday and post-meridian means after midday. Okay, so it is like pre-post. So we take 12 noon as the mid-center and before noon and afternoon. So before noon is AM and afternoon is other two separate words. Okay, after the noon is PM. Okay, and so we will be doing find the elapsed time. Elapsed time is basically the time duration for doing an activity or the time that is covered from a particular point to a particular point. Okay, so basically we will be doing word problems just to take a glimpse that have you understood Or are you able to, understand the things we are doing in demo session? Just kind of a practice thing. So moving ahead now, children, whenever we have to add time, okay, I am talking about it could be either 12 hour, it could be either 24 hour. We always take time into three parts: hours, minutes, and seconds. We separate, we make three columns, and we add seconds, minutes, and hours. But the carryover will not work as normal as you do in normal addition. It doesn't mean that you will put the carryover to the other column. The carryover has to be, you have to do it very carefully, keeping in mind how many seconds are there in a minute, how many minutes are there in an hour. For example, if I talk about the question that we have here in front, if we add the seconds, it will give us 85 seconds. If we add the minutes, it will give us 50 minutes. And if we add the hours, it will give us 4 hours. Okay, now I can't put the carryover straight away, or there is no carryover in seconds, but it is possible in this case. The reason is that there are 60 seconds in 1 hour, in 1 minute. 60 seconds in 1 minute allows me to take out 60 seconds from here, make it 35, make it 20, one second. If I take out 60 seconds from here, everything is gone. 1 second. Let me rewrite it. 04, 50, 85. Now, if I take out 60 seconds from here, it will give me 25 as the remainder. But how will I add those 60 seconds into minutes? It will be 1 minute, because 60 seconds make only 1 minute. So if I add this on, in place of 50, it will become 51. Okay, this is how the carryover works in time. It is normal addition that you do, but you have to use the concept of time in doing addition. So my final answer would be 4 hours, 51 minutes, 25 seconds. Right? Now, if I take the same question and do subtraction, same question, and I have to figure out subtraction. So we will go column wise. You all know we always start from ones place, and here ones place is seconds is playing the role of ones place, minutes is playing the role of tens place, and hours is playing the role of hundreds place. Sanvi, if there is a doubt, do write in the chat box there. Have you written? Ayush says I don't understand. Okay, Ayush, then I'll go back. Wait. Sandy, please write in the chat box. Okay, Sanvi, write the doubt in the chat box, please. Whatever doubt you have. Okay, Ayush, what I was saying here is you have 85 seconds, but out of 85 seconds, you can convert 60 seconds into 1 minute, correct? Yes. So that is what I am doing. Out of 85, I'm taking out 60 seconds. So what is my remainder? 25. But I am giving carryover to minutes only as a single minute. I can't give it 60, right? Because it is not 60 minutes. So that's how we are doing addition here. I hope you understood now. Okay. Yeah. Quick, Sandy, I'm waiting for your doubt to show. Yes, in ours also, suppose if minutes go beyond 60 minutes, right? Then we can take out those 60 minutes and we can give it to hours, but only as 1 hour. So that conversion, as you have to keep that in mind. conversion keep in mind and then give the carryover to the neighbor. Okay. For example, if I say in place of minutes, my answer is 70 minutes. For just taking an example, 70 minutes. Now I know that I can take out 60 minutes from this. Then what will be my remainder here? Only 10. And where will the 60 minutes go? It will go in hours as 1 hour. Right? It works the same way as it works from seconds to minutes. It works from minutes to hours. Clear? Okay. Now the problem will come when we do subtraction. Because I can't subtract 55 from 30. 30 is a smaller number. Right? So when I borrow from minutes, minute says I can only, if I borrow 1 minute from 20 minutes, this will be 19, correct? But when I give it to seconds, how am I giving it to seconds? How many seconds are there in a minute? 60, right? So this 30 will become what? 90. This 30 will become 90. Okay. Now can I do the subtraction? Yes. 90 minus 55 will give me 35. Right? Subtraction is possible. Now, I cannot subtract 30 from 19. Not possible. So let me borrow from the neighbor. Neighbor says, I can give you 1 hour, but in minutes you have to convert. So how many minutes are there in an hour? 60 minutes. So when it comes to minutes, it will come in the form of 60 minutes. So 60 plus 19 makes it 79. That's how it works. You might be knowing about time from grade 4, but maybe not this way. Maybe you are aware of this. Okay, so now the subtraction is possible and the answer would be 49. And in hours, we are left with 1 hour. So these kind of things are taught in detail in the class, right? So you know subtraction, but use time here and do subtraction, simple. You can't do subtraction just randomly, just you're picking it up from the neighbor and taking it. That way it will not work here. Now let's move ahead. This is just one thing here. If I move on, this is what we already discussed before midday, after midday. I use the term before noon and after the noon, right? Midday means noon only. Now, how do we convert time from 24-hour to 12-hour? See, children, till 12 noon, it works for both the things. Because counting works like 1 to 24. But when I have to do the conversion from 24 to 12, I can tell you a simple trick. From 24 to 12, just jot down the time, like 13 is the time. If you have to convert it into 12-hour, subtract 12 from it. Straight away, subtract 12, you will get the time in PM. 13 minus 12 gives you 1. 14 minus 12 gives you 2. 15 minus 12 gives you 3. 16 minus 12 gives you 4. And so on. 23 minus 12 gives you 11. This is how we convert 24-hour time to the 12-hour format. Because now we are dividing 24 into 2 equal parts, right? So and there is no need to mug up anything. There is a reason behind everything. Why am I subtracting 12 only from it? Why not something else? Because 24 is divided into 2 equal parts. So let me take out 112. So what is left? I will get the answer in 1 12-hour format. That is why I am deducting 12 from it. So the AM 12 is gone. So all the time is in PM. Simple, easy. When you have to do vice versa, suppose if I say change PM to 12-hour format, add 12, do the opposite. 1 plus 12, 13, 2 plus 12, 14, 3 plus 12, 15, 11 plus 12, 23. So 12-hour is the only thing which is doing magic here. Simple? Okay. This is an example given. Suppose if you have to convert, the time is 23 hours, 20 minutes and 30 seconds. When I say 12 is to be subtracted, it is hours. I'm not talking about minutes or seconds. I'm talking about the hour as a whole. So from which section will you deduct 12? It is from hours. So my answer would be 11 hours, 20 minutes and 30 seconds. Can anybody tell me, is it AM or PM? Nobody can tell me that. Okay, sorry. Okay. Dikshika, okay. Yeah, everybody is writing now in the chat box and that is correct. It is PM because we are changing 23 to 11. So it's PM. I think I have very smart students here. All right. So let's move ahead. This is not everything about time, children. Let me tell you, this is just a portion of time, right? That we are covering here. In the actual class, there will be a lot more to cover. These are three simple things. I'm not saying you might be able to answer, you might not be able to answer. 9:30 to 10:30, what is the duration as per you? You can answer in hours, minutes, whatever you feel comfortable. 8, just give me answers of first two. 9:30 to 10:30, what do you think is the time duration? And 8:40 PM, because there AM is same, and in the second one, PM is same. So we are in the same time zone, and then we are calculating the gap. This is part of elapsed time. So tell me the answers for the first two questions. Okay, I got the answer. Few of you are writing it to everyone, so everyone is getting the answer, and I told you everybody can copy, paste. So don't do it to me, direct message to me, not to everyone, children. So I can see many of you. Kabir, second one is wrong. Okay. Dikshika, I think is very smart in mathematics. Do you like mathematics, Dikshika? Where are you? I can't see you anywhere. Okay. Oh, okay. I understood now. All right, dear. And I can see that interest here. Uh-oh. I'm not saying yes to anybody because still I can see many of you are writing it to everyone. So when I say yes, everybody can copy paste. Okay, stop writing now. Let's do it here. From 9:30 to 10:30, it was very clear that it is a jump of 1 hour, right? Now, when I talk about 8:40 to 10:27, I can see few of you answered it correctly, but not everybody was able to do. So I'm telling you a short trick here, right? You can take a 1 hour jump first. So from 8:40, if you take a 1 hour jump, it will be 9:40. 1 hour is clear? Now there is one way. Either you take a direct jump from 9:40 to 10:27, but I can see that many of you are not able to take that jump. So let's break it further. Let's take a jump till 10. So if I take a jump till 10, it'll cover 20 minutes in between. Right? And if I take a further jump till 10:27, then it will cover 27 minutes. You can always break and do it, children. It is not necessary that you have to do the calculation straight away in your mind. Even breaking things make it easy. Right? So here everybody was able to calculate it pretty easy. 1 hour, everybody was able to do. But when it came from 9:40 to 10:27, somebody is writing 23 minutes, somebody is writing 27 minutes. Many of you were writing 47 minutes, somebody 43 minutes. Okay, so there was some confusion. So break it. 9:40 to 10:20 minutes and 10 to 10:27, 27 minutes. So 1 hour, 47 minutes. Right? Simple, easy, break things easy. Now, when we are changing, suppose if I say we are going directly from 10:45 a.m. to 10:45 p.m., a straightforward jump, then how many hours is it going to cover? How many hours will it cover? From 10:45 to 10:45 a.m. to 10:45 p.m. I can see answers are coming to me in breaks. Children, if you write something in chat box, maybe a part of it, I won't be able to understand because everybody is writing in a flow. Right? 12 hours. So only two, yeah, now you're writing it in the right order. So directly from 10:45 a.m. to 10:45 p.m., 12 hours. And how long will it take from 10:45 p.m. to go to 11:15 p.m.? It can't be 15 minutes. No. Think of a clock in your mind. From 9 till 3. Yeah. I am saying, Kabir, the minute hand is at 9 and it is going towards 3. That's how it works. Okay, you have to imagine in maths. Everything will not be there in front of you. So yes, it is 12 hours and 30 minutes. When minute hand goes from 9 to 3, it covers 30 minutes. That is correct. Suppose this is a clock. I imagine in my mind 9 here, 3 here. So I know it is a jump of 30 minutes. Yes? Okay. This was easy. Now I'm going to throw 5 questions one by one. And I will give you maybe a minute so that everybody can write the answer. If you will not give the answer directly to me, I will not say whether it is right or wrong. If you will tell me the answer directly, only then I can tell you whether your answer is right or wrong. Am I clear on this? Okay. So the first question for you is this. I am not reading the question. Read the question and give me the answer. Because understanding the question is equally important. When I was explaining you questions, the answers were so quick. Kabir wrong. Ayush wrong. Is it Atendra Banerjee? That's correct, beta. Yes, Manasvi. Okay, your answer is A. That's correct, dear. Oh, see, this is what happens. She wrote A and I read the answer. Now everybody knows it is 90 minutes, but I don't think you know how is it 90 minutes. So let me help you. That's fine. I'll explain that to you. See, in the first clock, you should know how to read time, and I'll make you practice that in class. Because if you don't know how to read time, you won't be able to do it. In the first clock, it is 5 minutes for the time to be 6 o'clock. 5 minutes still remaining to be 6, right? It is just near 6. It is touching 6. So that means it is 5:55. Okay, and children, we try to write time in always 2-digit numbers. 2-digit for hours, 2-digit for minutes, 2-digit for seconds. Because maximum it is 60 seconds, 60 minutes, 24 hours, which makes conversion, okay? And in the other clock, if you notice, the hour hand is between 7 and 8. So that means the time is more than 7 and it is at 25. I hope you people know that this covers 5 minutes. Every single, this dot is covering, this small thing is covering 1 minute, even the big one is covering 1 minute. So 5 dots means there is a gap of 5 minutes. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 makes it 25. Right? Now it is a simple calculation. From 5:55, jump 1 hour to make it 6:55. And from 6:55, if you imagine the clock in your mind, that means you are going 6:55 means minute hand would be here and you're going till here. So you are covering another 30 minutes, which will give you 7:25. So the correct answer is 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour means how many minutes? 60. So 60 plus 30 makes it 90. Conversion you'll have to use everywhere. It depends. If the option would have been 1 hour 30 minutes, you would have, selected that. But here it is only in minutes. So 90 minutes. It can also come in seconds. You never know. Okay, so you should know, you have to, it depends. You might have to calculate answer in seconds also. So there are many things in time that we need clarity on. Okay, moving on. This is the description. I'm sorry, I didn't know. So I thought, let me do it. Next time I'll show you the answer slide. Read the question on your own and then answer me. It is not necessary that you will answer correctly only in one go, but give it your best try. Yari asked, that way also it works. If you take 25 plus 5, then fine. I said, if you break it, it will be much easier. Okay. I'm expecting you, Dikshika, in the batch starting from Tuesday. Srisha as well. Okay. Kabir, you're trying to become pro now. I should say you're already a pro. Right? Okay. Here, who gave me the wrong one? Wait. Oh, what did I do? I think I did something wrong. The one who, Sarah, the answer is wrong. Ayush, the answer is wrong, and that's fine. Even, okay. Now I'll tell you how, rest of you gave the correct answer. Beta, from 7:45, take a direct jump of 1 hour. What will be the time after 1 hour? 8:45. Correct? If you're not able to do it directly, take a 15 minutes jump and take another 15 minutes jump. It is easy. The only thing is that break it into small pieces. This will give you 1 hour. This will give you 15 minutes. And this will further give you 15 minutes. So that means it will give you, am I doing it? It is still 9:15. So in that case, I think I got correct answer only from one of you. C is the right answer. Ayush gave me the right answer and I think I am telling the wrong thing. Just 1 second, let me revisit your answers. Everybody gave the wrong answer, only just 1 or 2 children gave the correct one. Sarah gave the correct answer. It is my mistake. And in fact, Atendra, Ayush gave the correct answer and C is the right answer. Yeah. So, Kabir, you will have to write. I can't unmute you here. Manasvi gave the correct answer. This is not a regular class, Kabir. Have to write in chat box. And I've given the solution by breaking it into minutes. Let's see the I think I did not read the question and that's how the mistake is happening. Let me read the question first. Rohan left his house at 7:45 a.m. and walked for 15 minutes to get a bus. He boarded the bus immediately. So at what time is he boarding the bus? 8 a.m. He is not boarding the bus at, okay, Kabir. When Kabir says, ma'am, that means something is wrong. He is boarding the bus at 8 a.m. and then the school bus is dropping him at school at 9:15 a.m. So my previous thing was correct. So Sarah and Manasvi and who else? Ayush were wrong and all of them were right. Okay, I also did the miscalculation. This is what happens when we don't read the question carefully and when we don't read the question at all. So I also calculated from 7:45 for 15 minutes. He was walking. He was not traveling in the bus. So we can't count that time. The question is, how long did the bus took to drop Rohan at school? So it is 1 hour, 15 minutes only. Now I'm going to read the question carefully. I'm not going to trust on you at all. Okay. Next question. Let me also read. You read the question and answer. Batman is flying. Let's invite Batman here also, na, in India. Come here also. We're happy to invite you. Okay. There is a catch. There is a catch again. You have to tell me, for how many hours did Batman fly? Only the flying time. I'm waiting in the chat box. The answer was 1 hour, 15 minutes. Is the connectivity okay? Yes, no, something. Okay, Kabir. Correct. Kabir, are you actually in grade 4? I mean, the demo is for grade 5 and you were the first one to answer. Where is Deekshika? Where is Risha? No. Deekshika, it is wrong. Find your mistake. Very good, Atendra. I don't know if I'm pronouncing your name right or wrong. In the class, first thing I do it, I check with you whether I'm pronouncing the names correct or incorrect. Okay, so you can correct me over there. Right now, I can't unmute you. Then Kabir, you're really a super pro, I mean. What do you eat to be a super pro? You'll have to tell me. Riaz, now I can't tell you whether it is right or wrong. You're answering it to everyone. Very good, Trisha. Food. What do you eat in food? That's what I'm asking. Very good, Ayush. This time you were able to take that catch. Okay, never mind, Dikshika, I'll explain. So I should also start eating fruits and vegetables. Okay. I am not eating. I'm only eating food. Very good. Even Sarah is able to catch hold of the catch here. Very nice. Hurry up. What about the rest? Misha, I can't see any answer from you, Bita. Are you not able to? I mean, you don't know how to use chat box? Manasvi, write the answer. Come on, be quick. Oh, so you eat carrots. Okay. Very good, Manasvi. Very good, Misha. So you people did the question and you didn't wrote the answer. Okay. So, yes, Dikshika, that is right. Okay. Right. So let's understand, and right now I'm not answering. I will show it to you like this. It is better. Total time that the whole thing that Batman is covering from traveling on Sunday at 17 till Monday 21:30, it is 24 plus 4.5 hours, right? 24 hours how till 17 on Monday, it is 24 hours. And from 17 till 21:30, it is 4.5 hours. But he is also taking a nap in between. Rest also is required, no? Otherwise, how will Batman fly? So that rest time is to be deducted, correct? And that 4 hours rest, if we deduct, it comes out to be 24 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, next one, be quick. How much time do we have? Come on, 9:15, I have to wind up. Uh-oh. What is happening? There is... Is there a catch in this one also? You have to tell me at what time did she leave? Quick, 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 give it a try. Srisha, Misha, rhyming words. Dikshika is the first one, Kabir. Okay, now Dikshika is coming first. Okay, oh my God. Answers are pouring like I'm not even able to see everything. Oh, now what did I do? I'm very bad with this chat box thing. It is always easy to keep children on unmute and then take a class. I don't know where are the answers gone. I did some blunder. 2 new messages. Okay. Few children are doing mistake here and many of you are answering it correctly. But though I missed out some of your answers, so I can see Ayush, Gadbad is there, and then, okay, let's discuss it, leave it. But few children gave B as the option, which is incorrect. The ones who gave A as the answer is correct. Now, 8 o'clock, she's reaching. She's giving order to the waiter, and waiter is conveying it to the cook immediately. And at 8:10, so there is no wastage of time. So from 8 to 8:10, it is 10 minutes. And then she took 35 minutes to have that dinner. So from 8, 10, 35 minutes would be, how is this calculation done? No, let me do it my way. Wait. From 8, order is conveyed, 10 minutes covered, 8:10. Then served to Priya at 8:35, and she takes another 35 minutes to have the dinner. So 8, 10, 35 minutes makes it what? 8:45. 15 minutes to pay the bill. What is happening here? 1 second. And what is the answer as per them? And what is the answer you people wrote? What did I do? I can't see anybody. Okay, now I can see. Can one of you explain how you calculated 925? Anyone who gave the answer is 925. Dikshika, write in the chat box. Kabir, write in the chat box. Uh-oh. I missed 25 minutes in between. Got it. Because the names were displaying here, so I missed the word which was written over there. Got it. Thank you so much. And who is explaining this? Let me see. Very nicely. At 8, Priya, she's reaching the restaurant. At 8:10, the cook starts cooking, and cook is serving it at 8:35, right? So cook is taking how long to prepare the dish? 25 minutes, right? There I was missing up, I believe. The time is to be written like what? 08. Then it should be written like Z. And then 25 minutes time it is taking to prepare here, another 35 minutes to eat. So the time will be this, and then 15 minutes after paying the bill. To pay the bill, I mean. Okay, so here the ones who gave the wrong answer, here is a catch of 10 minutes. Like I can also miss out sometimes if I'm not reading it properly. Here is 25 minutes preparation time, 35 minutes eating time, and 15 minutes the time taken to pay the bill. Right? So total is coming out to be what? Is it coming out now? Yeah, okay. We had to give the time. So it is 9:25. Okay. Do we have more time to do one more question? Let's give it a try. One more. Last, okay? 6:30, she's waking up. 5 minutes brush, 30 minutes bath, 40 minutes breakfast before noon. So how long does she have to complete her assignment before noon? 6:30. Quick, quick, quick. I hope nobody is helping you, huh? For giving the quick answers. Ayush, right? Sarah, right? Dikshika, right? Just in 5 questions, you people are becoming pro, huh? So what will happen when you will do maybe 20, 25 questions? Very good. Everybody is able to do. Very nice. But what happened to Kabir? What happened to Manasvi? Very good. That's correct. Jitendra, Misha, right? I mean, everybody is answering right so far. So we're still waiting for Riyaz. Hurry up. The time is running out. Okay, now I'll have to explain as I got one incorrect answer. Beta, when she is waking up at 6:30, 5 minutes, she's taking, so time would be 6:35. Then 30 minutes to take bath. So from 6:35, is it explained like this here? No. Okay, I have a different way of explaining it. So I'll write it here. 6:30, 5 minutes, brush your teeth. 6:35, 30 minutes, take a bath. 7:05, 40 minutes, eat. 7:45. Now from here till 12 noon, you have to calculate the time. So from 7:45 till 8:45. Now I'm taking jumps in 1 hour. See, 1 hour jumps. And now 15 minutes jump. So it is 4 times 1 hour jumps. And then 1 15 minutes jump makes it 4 hours and 15 minutes. Right? So this is just a glimpse of how we do in actual classes. This is not the complete topic of time. So this is just to give you an overview. So I hope, how did you like demo session? Yes, no. We can make it more interesting. I know, Kabir, you love classes. You love maths, I know that. Okay, so we have the batch starting from next Tuesday. You make sure that you register yourself, and I hope to see you all in the batch starting from Tuesday, right? And there I can make corrections in how to pronounce your names. All right, chalo, see you, bye-bye.